Tech Tip Thursday, not a fountain machine today. Today we're working on a Bunn brewer. And we have an interesting one here. We're out for a not letting water out of here, but we're ending up with a heating issue. And first place to always start is at the top of the tank. One, we're getting water, which is good. Our thermostat appears to be reading correctly because it's telling us the water is not warm and the water is not warm. So kind of how we should troubleshoot it from here is figure out if our limit thermostats are bad or our heating elements are bad. But there is one extra thing that you don't see up here that it could be. So to troubleshoot this, we're going to go to our horseshoe setting, and we know we have and now I'm currently unplugged, 330 or 3,330 watt heating element, which has a value, so you can actually look that up at 240 volts. That'll have a value, and we are at 0.016 kilo ohms. But the other thing we can do is we can just verify these two are going to be pretty much the same, which they are. So we know that's good. Check our thermostats quick, or our limit thermostats. We can just put it on BP mode, and then we can just quick go on those. Currently working and working. So what does that mean at this point? Well, there's a secret part on the back that I don't get to show very often, and I'm not going to be able to today, but we can assume it's probably our triacs, which is a really uncommon thing on these. So one order of triacs are going to have to come out, and those sit on the back of the machine, and I'll kind of give you a shot of what they look like. They actually have a little piece in the back. So they sit underneath these heat sinks, and when they go bad, brewer doesn't heat anymore. So there you go. Something you don't see very often on these, but very good to quick go through and check all those items, and then you can narrow it right down to if you've got voltage and those items up top are correct, it's probably going to be your triacs.